Hello and welcome to another video for logo design case studies at Discover My Business. And in this case, we will show you our logo design for IT company. How do you think it is? I would like to see your opinion on the comments. If you like this kind of design or colors, let us know. We have done this design within 7 days, actually within 8 days. There was a lot of entries, a lot of companies fighting for this project. We won this from 250 entities, I believe. There was like 250 entries, and we got that. So this company is, let's see the project background. Broussard Technologies LLC expanding their business and need a new logo due to the nature of the consulting IT businesses, which is heavily dependent on online network. It's important to keep the number of colors so it can be read on all types of online media. This is actually what was happening, what client requested, and this is what we have done. If you like it, just subscribe it. If you need a logo design for your IT company, the URL is below. Don't forget to mention YouTube, so we will provide you with a special discount as the YouTube subscriber. Awesome. See you on the next case study. Bye.